G'day droners, Alex from Dronegear here, and today I'm at the Tiffen booth at NAB 2018 and I'm going to be presenting a video on the Tiffen Natural ND filters. So these are a new filter from Tiffen, extremely neutral. These are the cinema grade that they've been using. Yeah, these filters are matching extremely well with the ground filters, obviously because they're the same if you're using the Tiffen Naturals. Been using this on recent commercials. We did a shoot for Lexus, and we also just did a piece for Hulu, a Stephen King and J.J. Abrams production where we use these filters. So, you know, on those high-end productions, the directors out there with the light meter, they're checking how much light is coming in, and they're telling us as drone pilots how many stops they want us to adjust the filters. So early morning we're at 1 stop, and as it's going later in the day, 2 stops, 3 stops. We've got the full set going from 1 to 8 stops. Having all these filters in your kit on a high-end production is what you need to have. So Tiffen also has the Phantom series filters, so the ND8, ND16, so that's a 3-stop and a 4-stop filter. And then they've also got the polarizer filter. And again, it's got the color core technology inside it. We did a promotional video for Tiffen with a lot of great content. So again, Tiffen do make the best glass filters for drones on the market, period. So they've been doing it for 80 years now, so there's no other drone filter manufacturer that does that. All these filters are on the Tiffen website. I've also got links on the Dronegear website, www.dronegear.tv, top 5 drone gear products. We've got the Tiffen filters in there with a link to purchase through that. Mainly B&H is selling them with free shipping and stuff like that. So yeah, check it out. Thanks for stopping by the Tiffen booth. This is Alex from Dronegear, NAB 2018.
This is your own?
This is my own. It has my name on it. What? So now you know it's official. Devin Graham. I've been using Glidecam for the last 10 years, so we thought it was only right that we teamed up and made the ultimate Glidecam. So that's what you see right here. So if you know what a Glidecam is, it basically gives you really smooth, steady shots. Now the Devin Graham Signature Series Glidecam, because I do a lot of extreme sports stuff out in the middle of nowhere, so we're like, how can we take this to the next level? So for me, a big thing is being quick, mobile, really fast. So you have a quick release plate. The other older system, it took a lot longer to kind of take off the camera and dial it in. And then we have a Manfrotto type plate. So if you have a Manfrotto tripod, which that's what we use for everything that we do, slip it right off and then I can put it right onto a tripod, put on a tight lens and get the shots that I want to get. Now this Glidecam, and by the way, this is a lot of information, really fast, but the quick release plate, this is awesome. I can balance it now as far as frontwards and forwards with this right here. Just spin it. This goes backwards. Spin it here, it goes forward. Here, spin it left or spin it right. So this is much quicker than the older system. And then right here, you have a twistable gimbal. So why does this matter? Well, let me explain. I do a lot of stuff for a slow mode. So with a twist of a gimbal, I can twist it and start shooting low mode. Or I can twist it and start shooting high mode, which we do a lot of both. And it also has all the different measurements right here. And it's a weathered sealed gimbal as well, which is different than the other Glidecams. So we film a lot of stuff in the rain, which isn't great for your cameras, but sprinkling rain's okay most of the time. And a lot of sand stuff we're filming by the ocean. So this prevents 95% of what we normally do, or you're not gonna get a bunch of sand and corrosion going on in the gimbal itself. We film with the red camera, so that's roughly around 12 pounds with a Canon L-series lens, and this handles it just fine for everything that we've been doing since I've been filming with Glidecams. 2 to 12 pounds this system can handle Most Glidecams, you'll have the 2000, the 4000, they'll handle a much smaller range compared to this. But a lot of times we film with the 5D and then we'll shift to the red camera. And I just change that with the weights that you see down here. I'll fill with 7 weights on both sides and then start shooting right away. Because you can go all the way out on these. Let me just kind of show you. Depending on like the shape of your camera, because you can go out in. I try and keep everything as close inwards as possible just because I don't like the chance of me kicking it with my leg or this or that. So this works the best for me personally. It's just like a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup though. There's no right or wrong way to do it, but this is kind of what works for me and what I've been doing, and it's been awesome. So